Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is AmanChopra, and today in this video, I'm going to be talking about some of my new goals for 2022. Now, first off, because I value your time, if these talking type of videos aren't your cup of tea, it's totally cool. Go check out one of my other vlogs or whatever floats your boat. But if you're interested in hearing what I plan to do this year, just stick around, keep watching the video, and maybe you'll even get some ideas to pursue as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So I've categorized my goals into 3 categories, which are life, school, and hobbies. And so starting with the life category, my first goal is to prioritize my well-being. And now that's in terms of, being a person, and sleeping, it's just things I want to kind of get out of the toxic hustle culture, just because it's like I feel like I do too much and I put too much on my plate, when I already have a lot of things to do on my plate. And so, because of focusing on school, getting good grades, creating videos, I think doing this will help me kind of find that balance between being a student, being a creator, being a friend, being a brother, etc, etc. And I look forward to it, because it's nice. Once you really find that balance, you find that sweet spot between everything that you do, it's like everything kind of makes sense to you. And it's only something you actually understand when you've actually been in that position. And so, yeah, I think it'll be cool if I can actually find that balance, which I'm sure I will, but it will take time. That's one thing for sure. So the second goal that I want to complete this year is making a habit out of reading every day. Now, currently I have a huge list of books in my Notion page that I really wanted to get through, but the thing is either I don't have enough time or I'm on my phone at night time, which is something I like to change. And so I want to kind of read, a little bit every night and then maybe take notes in Notion. And yeah, that way I think I'll be able to get through more books and through that list that I have right now that I've been dying to get through. My third goal is journaling every day. Now, I've been working on this goal since the beginning of January, and I've been doing it in Notion. So as you can see, I have a 3-minute journal template, which I use every day to fill out a new entry. And it has these questions like, what did I dream? 3 things I'm grateful for, what am I looking forward to, and so forth. And so it's a nice little thing that I like to do every morning and night, because I feel like it just really helps me understand my day and reflect on it. And I guess that kind of helps me understand, okay, how can I make tomorrow a better day, a more productive day, How can I use my time more wisely tomorrow? So every single day, it kind of helps me improve in different aspects of my life, which I think is really cool in its own little way, because it's something that we really don't look at or think about because we're so focused in our phones or busy with work, school, and so forth. So yeah, I think journaling is pretty fun, and I'd like to make a daily habit out of that as well. Moving on to my goals for school, my one goal is to do better academically. So currently I'm in my last year of high school, and I feel that before the last couple of months, I want to end it off with a strong finish. Now, it's not that I'm not doing great now, but it's the idea that if I put in a little bit more effort and just learn to study a bit more smarter and not harder, I can do things more to the best of my abilities. And for the last category, which are hobbies, one of my goals is to finish this art piece right here. Now, I chose, I think, a while back, I think a year or 2 ago, I really don't remember, but essentially what it is, it's supposed to be a McLaren driving down a forest from the mountains, and there's supposed to be smoke in the background, which is supposed to fade into the trees, but currently it's just a work in progress. It's been sitting in my closet for quite some time, but it's something that I'd like to finish and just get it done with so I can hang it up or whatever. But yeah, I think that'll probably be in the summer though, because I don't have time right now because of school and everything, so it'll probably be in the summer. And maybe, just maybe, I might even paint it on camera so you guys can kind of get like a time lapse of it. Who knows? I guess we'll see when the time comes. So since YouTube is currently one of my hobbies, my first goal for YouTube is posting consistently every single week for a year. So that's about 52 videos. And my second goal is at least getting 200 subscribers by the end of this year. And if we somehow get to 1,000 subscribers, that would be absolutely insane. Like, it's difficult, but if I manage to pull it off, it'd be crazy. So for my Instagram and Twitter accounts, I really want to grow them and connect with more content creators and accounts that are similar to mine. And I think for Instagram specifically, my plan is to repurpose more of my content and just, make more reels, posts, carousels, etc. But I'd like to definitely grow a lot more on Instagram and, connect with other creators. And as for Twitter, I think I'd like to really grow my following and, just post more tweets and threads, sharing useful resources, tips, and so forth, because I feel like if you use Twitter correctly, you can have a lot of amazing conversations with great people. So I really want to grow my connections on Twitter as well. And I think it'd be cool to see who I can meet and who I will meet. So these are some of my goals for 2022, and I think I could probably finish most of them, if not all of them, because the thing is, they're not super difficult or super easy, right? But the thing is, it really just requires for me to show up every single day to work on each one of these goals one step at a time. And so I think it'd be really cool if I were to finish almost all of it, which I probably will, and I hope I do as well, right? But the thing is, it'd be cool to see at the end of the year how much I've gone through this whole entire year and what I've been able to accomplish as compared to last year, where sure, I accomplished the things I wanted, but it just took slightly a longer time. So I think that'd be super dope. So I hope you enjoyed the video today, guys. I hope you guys got new ideas to try out as well in this new year. And if you made it till the end of the video, make sure you guys comment down below a goal that you plan to accomplish in 2022. And yeah, as always, thank you for watching.